Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create a job in Jenkins. So creating a job in Jenkins is very easy. Just the toughest part is how to configure the job. So here to create jobs, we have two options. Like straight away, you can go to this create a job and click on it, or you can go to this new item and here you can write the job which you are trying to create, just name the job, and you have lots of options here. Like you can go for freestyle project, you can go for the maven project, in fact the pipeline, multi-configuration project, folder, GitHub organization, and multi-branch pipeline. So these are the different options which you can select while creating a job. Right now we are going to select the first option, that is freestyle project. So here the description is also mentioned that freestyle project, this is a central feature of Jenkins, and Jenkins will build your project combining any SCM with any build system, and this can be even used for something other than software build. So basically, we'll be using this freestyle project so that we can configure our different concepts. In fact, we can configure many more things to our project. So we'll use the freestyle project. Once you click on the freestyle projects on the header portion, you see you have different options. First is the general options, then you have source code management options, build trigger option, build environment options, in fact, build, post build. So all of these options are used based on the requirements. So first here in description, just you provide some description, the description about the project. Like I'll write, this is my first project. Now here you can like you have different options. We'll go through all of this in my different tutorials. Right now, just I will show you how we are building a job and how we can configure them. Here, when you are dealing with the GitHub, then we use the source code management. Build trigger, in build trigger, you have lots of options. We'll go through all the options one by one. Like here, you can build while building your project, you can provide different options. And this is the environment where you can build your projects, like whichever environment you want to use, you can use them. This is like you can add build steps. Like if you are using a Windows, you can use the Windows batch command here. Like just I'm using a simple command, Java, just I'm trying to check the Java version of the Jenkins, whatever the Java version is installed. So here you have different options, like you can go for different steps. You can go through any steps you like, and at the end you can post build the actions. Now once you have created a project, just click on apply and save. So once you save this, see the project is built here. You see the project is mentioned just after the dashboard page. And for the very first time, you need to click on the build now button. When you click on this, then you see a green tick comes here. That means the project is built without any errors. And if you want to see the complete description about it, just click on it, go to the console part, and here you'll get the description like build finished successfully. In fact, you are looking for the Java version. So this is the version you have in your Jenkins. So it gives you a complete description of it. So in this dashboard area, you will have like all the projects names and whatever projects you are looking for, whatever projects you build, all will be available here. And if you want to do any changes, again, click on that particular project, go to the configure options, and then you will have the project area, and you can add the things whatever you want to add. So this is how you can build a job. The simplest way to build a job in Jenkins, and later you can configure based on your requirements. So in our next videos, we'll see how we can integrate different operations on the projects.